Yo, what up? Quick notice, quick one. I think Bonia, or the social media by Yamishana or Nyansa power there. Na love on a year, Bruno. I think say I'm Casape Mobe ye bonnet. Catch your bishop, the local money one dog. I think so my attention has just been drawn on a set of stupidities that is going on social media just for one day. A lot is happening. Now, Osophobia or IT people know watching this nonsense. You're very careful. I am the master of this game. Because I'm Panacho, a Jimmy for for now. But the way I'm me call bad no. I don't know mupeja. Asembiana Medina Mamun Jimmy survival. Munya Jimmy no. I saw for penny for na mo Jimmy no. One day, what publisher about for doom the TVs. Are you stupid or what? I don't know about some mama me can some enya me lie. What Jimmy mo you don't want to for na. And I'm also penny for Jimmy. What kind of nonsense is that? Obviously, my close to churches. Oh, one year the about I say May 1, 2014, whatever, adoring whatever. Cause I say better no. What kind of nonsense is this? Me say any I am the charismatic giant. Wow, I am now. IT work, I'm using media mafia moves, you know. When we start it, we will shut down your system. APC branch biano. Me say now we control 400 and something branches. Yen shati biya. APC TVs, they may me pen a radio station, they may me pen a year Juma. What kind of nonsense is that? Motibi short by coming, mammy, wait. I don't know. What kind of cheap blogging is that? We are still leading and others follow. Also, for be a mammo, dear, only hype. And classes, Jimmy Forbear and Abba for friend, you mum grassy. And more baby. Quasiabiano, coach, be Jimmy Forbiano, the meat pesca, a boab, Eddie, Cassabia minimum, Quasasa Magrano. Mobo Medina, money ye, we say prophetic and a man, and you know when you want you and yes, you. Yada for bit is a wada, yada so to why Yapon Soria, Yania so for your meeting. What kind of nonsense is that? Above for this, above for that, above for this, above for that, above for this. Are you guys insane? Can't you post without me? Can't you write without me? Can't you do it without me? Any baby I will publish a assembly family who are wrong. I'm telling you, I'll see you. Because I'll publish and I'm called spiritual. I'm being honest with you. What kind of nonsense is that? One day, Daba Kope. Above for doom the TVs, above for acquire or from one day, above for closing the churches. What kind of stupidity is this? It's a chance to us one person, and a woman is so for Dana. Any of my send about my phone. Don't you people think that I have family? Kanina na mo kekansa mana matranse na mayedi no. Me hu se stamina ma take lead na me na me da so ye the champion no. Me mo bia kwa amane ni kwasa asem nkyere me o. Mo ni nipa kuma ba me so. Bibia bi mo aka. Achieve something kwasa asem no. Obi a no kasa ye say we a statesman. You don't have to say all these things. What the hell? Nah. That stupid guy. Don't come and write nonsense things here. Jimmy for Kramaiba, a bois. I'm a church on classes. If you don't like me, let me be. Oh, I can't say, I channel bloggers safa. We are saying now, but we are saying for you one kasa. We don't care, Lucy, whatever you have for us. What kind of nonsense is this? My catch will say, anytime you try to blackmail me, I whitemail myself. Yes, I never my phone so about for TVs, you know, I shut it now. I dear chair, my shutting me church now. I dear chair. Ghana was beautiful 2014. I can post it tomorrow morning. What kind of stupidity is this? Don't you stupid guys knew that I have family? You don't know I have a house to protect. I have a wife and a kids. I have a mom. You want to kill my mom before her time? Amwa ba krani eti nyansa de use social media no mo use agime fo ba krani ene mo agime say mo na wo mo na wo de wo sa so fo gime fo na wo gime na ba bia ya soro won kran kwan kra wo dimi ngu sa wo gime no sa criminal so fo krofo so fo no djuma mi be diu na nsa ni agime fo so fo tata wo chi no amwa ma ahiafo asofo mo ntwamoa mo boda mana eni baba ko da bia mo twa to me so twitwa to mo ya mo ana na mo ni sumu ya da so yes within 48 hours eni baba ko mo ti me twro me ho sam maka jo se me ma nyinyini Kwasia bi anya data tenzi dia no de chiro gibisem. What bother mana? Root Japan, root jai, protect your dignity. Root, and say how you can't take it. Me kwaya one the man can't share wine. Me close to me TV bed in my wine, me close to me church away. I didn't say no. Now, Juma Brennan, your 2 offices near my eba. Within just 48 hours, in the pub back, Reverend Obofono. Within 48 hours, me, I'm a lion. Oh, my catcher was a social media, and only we asked for Abano. Obia Jimmy Sophia and Friso. Will be our witness say last 2 years, last 3 years, it didn't got your social media. So, what do you got? Yeah, you didn't trouble down. What wrong is I will say, it can never cancel us from the move. At the end, on my back, Lenny. No, I don't understand this. That you want jump run out to me, swap. Yo! Gosh. May I now say why Where did I announce it? Just tell me. Me announcement no ever. Sammy, and some no dorsal. Just 48 hours, one person. Me mama be frame ni wosu. Eja ku bi si mama, yesi mawu. Ah. Anayo. Na papa nyamia. Anyamia, esam no, ese wakokura mi nyini. Edipa nyam kura biem. Can you find so many dear but this time they are taking this serious, Nana. Wisdom watching. It's too much. Now, social media, na me work on and some of that so go. Mo good depend masodo. Me dia wo ya blogger na wo be pesika na wo di agura. Agura de Nyankopon. Baby a man so me do be twe no wo busuafo be to busuafie. Omo ti bi fa ntua wo. Sebi yalefo bi anu so camera na odidi wo bi atem. Yalefo bi anu so wa post me bi na ogu ni pe no ma se. Aden. Ofisi efitia na bedu ha. Enipa pay yasem ebi we yaso bobra utwitwa ntrogu yaso sa enipa wa bambu o enipa abamu tibebu asori no ewo ho enne ya asori yapon mitibi tu kwa kwa brochire na be sori nyina ya adwuma ya te branch bi okra men ko ho da and it's still working me over 300 something branches me 9 says you order send them money assume mu anymore. Why can you say so about 4 branches has been closed down, above 14 is this? So should I come out and explain any business that I'm doing to bloggers? Some bloggers are doing well. A lot of bloggers, those who are wise, those who know where they are going, they are doing well. But there's some people, it is their intention, it is their plan, say, I'll tarnish somebody's image for me to become relevant. What kind of nonsense is this? I would hear Ben a woo. Why during your Juma? I don't want to use these words. I said, Nipabia Shadai Jimmy Tuto. We have image to protect. What kind of life is this? Me ma was social media. Omo you me bag your way Sabunina. Mo had the Pabo said the Pabra, Bobunya Sam Kalo Jimmy Sabano. TV station Muatimetra Asama Walkano, Uncle Shaki was even the disclaimer to a foolish woman. Jimmy for baby, what to can was a boabi, what to one interview, we are no I know who to say bois, yes, so say cano see what can was a summer way. Already. Ghana na ye nimunye ni o. No, it's too much. Obi a onime ye wa ha nwumre bi e pacho. Oluma men kasa, but it's getting out of hands. What kind of nonsense is this? Ya che obi ka watim yesi maji eno obofo na mehia no ha adai bo wo fadin so wodin abo eni pabuye ye pia bonti de moye no asa adoso obi si ena no obi chon ade bo say reverend watch it's long overdue obi si this is that papa you supposed to come out and clear these things. eno edipa epeyes esa na mo hadipa bebre akoma nipa pemasem menye nipa bone atro sa djum di atro metimi agu asori ya ka agu dada adey asebu obinti betma wada roma mo amopemasem no mo amodomen eye bebre o Ghana say 100 ya emu 90 pemasem but enkofo bia sheda transi use media strategy osofu bi wa mememfa ho he wo pekura kotwitwa ayi jama na ba no aton me wasam nyamasem me wankama sama wasam yinya me wo ya sofo wo pefema ena no sofo bi didi nkwasi asem bi wo interview bi I called him say me friend one guy good man say fresh sofo da kache say give me some wo nyai eto so a I'll crash him men man interview bi ono so be feel bad you know everybody want to use me my name to say something. Do I look like somebody that you can feed? Maybe kasa nwie no me ho. And Trona Dawson, we have a family. Many abre obi so man of God, how can I meet you? Many abre mamen kasa nwie mesrawo. Any person say me din dodo. Ya say me ache. Baby ansa ko du anto anuru. Obitimi kwatranse obofo esma me kan nyina da ho me say amanfo post tu bra me say GMB 2014 yesi makoye ne ho ade o say ma obofo close his churches obofo close his TVs obofo back with under 72 hours one person. What kind of givers is this? Are we serious as a country? Sammy B, daddy let it go, Mati, Sammy. But I cannot ever talk with him. It is the one young Mamma so clear. No one said, and some more can yes, we any pass Sammy, any pain, pressure or blood pressure or BPA or low, any pain in you. Agora na mudi pe YouTube followers. Majan kwafubia mama say me diam dia peja nya sika da ne still ansomo. Besraw asemi aba social media propaganda na you say gospel no propaganda abam ankofobia kosuasia criminal life fragege e de abewura nyamdwuma nim agege akromfo bi abewura so no bu creative propaganda u papa tie me life me ni osofo bi ho obi ho time je asofo bi me ko ma yie the creator say me no ma make amend we have no problem. Me far from me from my test will be a heart. Me he would have evil plans about me. Me I don't have evil mind about anybody. I saw for me to me bo party ni pa be da hotel. Ye me go abofo ani ma say. Sa adwene no me ni bi ti na me koso. Me ade a me dwene ye ma sore me sore ma. Ene me yire na me ma na me ma me asa. Me ni padua kro kuta me nwene ho. Enti di osofo bi a wadwene sa me dwene ho no. Me hu ti sa body tire. Wo ye useless before me. Omo what time we bop patu sika minti uni kapre so still wo bopa no ene omo afiri say omo ya gege mafias no stop when we start our own oga you go run chai munya gimi no what's you want to say me use on social media asofo no munya gimi no you cannot bring me down me wo ba 8 years Onimade eche will be over 20 years. Obusa question scratch me question na mebusa. Oh yes sir, oh hami. Me wa mami. Me wa yiri. What do you want to bring to my family? Now I've told you whatever that you say, I will come and explain. Go to hell. I sorry now you are not my church member. Those who God have not assigned me to come and serve them forever, they will never come under this umbrella. I don't need you by my name. My image, I'll protect. Go to hell, whatever comment that you think that Reverend shouldn't talk like this, a man of God shouldn't talk like this. Please, a family man should talk like this. Now, we are in a cyber world, and this thing that calls social media, when somebody trying to tarnish your image, technically it's a war. Obi fa se kan ni tuo ma so biem ode nano o kan na beda social media. It's getting to 1 o'clock a.m. Same, let it go no jai. Mr. I know all these things. Jimmy ni ben nana bombo so fa wo Jimmy ko abo bi batisel nkrama ma bi wo amu magina ma ni brise ya obama wo ma me ya o meka me papa Jimmy fo o ma obra no maka asam ye ya akire no oh wo so fo kwase ampanyi ni kura ko busa ne se ne so fo no ba me je me na me hwe ne ma no we fa wo Jimmy free platform no so ko ehia so fo ye nti no mo yire o mo ndi atro pa brabo bi abo. Obi anka na no ntum biem anu ti na on pa masama froko da ba bi kura apo ba bi krama abate se wo ye kasa ye ne abre o se de to froko wo Jimmy fro wo sofo no pa anka ka whoever ho wo pa so 400 nko ka mom. I see them as dogs. Obo ye mo afi no pa so mbobra we want so mo ye krama e catch yourself with Jimmy for na wa use no ho Jimmy for so catch yourself so ya boa o manim o ba pikin seven na maka no say so for bofo ne boafu me nya o pikin aba pikin me kasa to me platform no so akira me ni wa ya dantidie me nya hwe adai me ni pa nya de na waka many panya de na waka ye papa o nka obi si no bofo ye papa no da betu TV so papa send ma ya postu ana de me nya ye ne ka to me so de me ma ye mpo ye nka everyday lies ba kama no atum ne atwa no tura to me so sa no kura ba akobam abo bia no atwa to me so krama ba no wate Odia, a free man de kono, me lawyers benya adwuma ye. Wo bia be pa cho me ntie. Na ya na me tu mu a mo be pa me cho na efo se. Kwasi asem na ekoso mu nhunu. Amoa. Why shock se me ka cho so ya aboa. Kwasi asem na ekoso mu nhunu. Eturu se mani abre no a be se me mine nipa no se de bonsu pa so mine nipa no a na wa cho pa ba no. Mo hihya ki edi mu kwasi asem no wi a. Odia this time se de asia ye gya no. Ejani said yes so moa mo sha kire de omudi bone ni wi a na afi na mo amadam ho dua broni wo de obi nso kwati obi nso abuo biti se taye Joseph nkana mama emmoa Yanni said yes, ya breno. Me see, Kadiamaye, I don't need you to praise me, but in jump thrown to me so. Near publish it now, cow, oh dear. Abrantie bi is what it ho media interviews emre bi oyade bi di me image ye go for 5 na minute be form this month me fa boy ne ma na wura be ho no ho ma Ghana mra ni obi ansam o ye man Ghana no asema meka de atwa to nse awudie no wosaye ne bone wo yetirim ye wudie no asekire ne se nipa ne nguase ye fenso China ni beduru krom ha yesoso ne so se Yesu sa baye funu ena mo man ya boss sa abadado ababrewa baye funu ena ti bidu Ghana kuro bi so ne aye street light so na dum na ye fuse ena obi akotu ama Ghana wo bi a fight agi street lights abesi wo ye de le wires ye gusu no obi atwa baye sonso me baye ye baye ni ya bro kosoro ye ntwonsan me mfuru bi me ye gegentwie me nkobi me ye koshini me nkobi madene nye me nkobi me tibi nye eso ensai gegentwie sunu ebinom wakasati wo ye yiwa yiboni o hwe obese na me so camera me twitwa ntro atoro so ase osofo me wudi si ani me donyame awurade ensem kura me ne ensem mate ne de ma huru se ote me wood wo bi di agoro di besi ani se wa ye sofo na me buna awurade me donyame me kame papa kwa me koma wuda me donya abeje osam ebe yo won se ha me no bo fa me se me donyame se me wuru se me nkoso de me ye die na ya moya me donya me mama wa regret you regret. What kind of stupidness is that? Mo nyansa mo adwene no mesira mo menya hwe asori yegusu aye bi ka ho me train disciples because every 2 weeks every 1 month ye be a new church. I'm telling you, but me, you know me, I don't live a social media life. E ni pa na share that twetwe me dem beto many a thing the bob da come anim me nyino bi ho adwonbone me yo bi papa kro na de bone na atu ameka me hye me kona da bia me pemabu na sam sise kura no afia da anim aba no ye nsima kuafo hena na de ye kasua obi asam nyamasam but entro na ye di gumi so no kane no na me wo futufo bi omutu me fo se oh daddy o mo ka o mejai yeah Joyce an mate nemo nkofu bua o mo ka omutu me fo daddy o mo ka o mejai but ye kan beja ambre na twam enne ye kan ye bodi reverend obofo obi ko gogo no bodi mpe Assembly na baba eti enne ye kan sam to so man kasa wa mekle just under 72 hours within 48 hours 3 publications me change ma so dan no foforo ye si abu me mate sika toka atimu no ye si obi dia what kind of nonsense is this tulon kasa chame ani yi bi aboa nwoma ne duru ahona nya nipa de na se nipa de de awoboa Humble lion etieni nipa fombo flag ne kuta ye friend Ghana flag no meni ase medin komo mebe sende signal mesrawo otemi won sem bia medical be ka chiro me ba be clear. I'm telling you. Kofi abebere se kofi nyam nchirawo meti ase bia me ba be clear enne wiase no social media wiase na aba na abere wakura timi hwe YouTube no abrewa hwe TikTok na abrewa timi di asaba to TikTok no enya kanigra mafumpa wa bre no ni o kanena na obi bo kuku no atwamo saa mra na yɛka nsɛm to so na yɛka no tum no nye ni o tam nkɔe mama esta na ka bibia nka achi mai bere sɛ wadwene sɛ me bɛkasa no betwa obofo communication team no ma bɛkasa me ada ohenka sia wo Africa Ghana obi ka asɛm no obɔ wura na mamra ne na maniem akire pusakasie bo bɛkasa saa da na mka kyerɛ me ho sɛ obi nka asɛm ntome so ma me nka ma no ntum da. I'm telling you. I'm telling you today. So because I'm not suma kama no atum. Ensi da. Commercial TV awadi shira. Otwe bi anti ase se odi bi hu be pesca e too late. Otwe bi anti ase wo wia bi anti ase. Otwe bi anti ase wo wia. Amokua bi anti ase o pro bi anti ase. Also be actual. See, they are overdoing it too much this time. Why? Who fi sabi no obi be kontokwa? Eno mahu se da bia no. Ana ma meka nyansa sam kiro. Obi ahu se obofo, obi abeka mentokwa. Me nso oso no nipa do kwa na edi matam da bia. No mo de ntro ne nsam ko. Ana me se me no obi ani ntokwa. Who fi se tiri na simiti so no. Itire we nyansa ni mo. Si me no obi ani ntokwa. More than no different strategy. Share. Media asofo bi amuji mi bia no. Kwasia wuji bi fo sofo adanse kura na wusi wo hunu sika no. Wona mama chofo di wachi aboa. Share. What that kramai when mo fu se be kramai dollar o da fie. You to makachira monsore ye kuro we wo say ye ene national anthem o de obi so ntia ses makasa se over me court nipa ne nguase ne si dwom ntokahunu fun o say ye o pagya ye mu na ni ase ye twetwetwe na santwe a na ka bebe ya sore branch bi a ekobie sport ubo ebo wiyo sport ubo ye dede obi anfa sport na court Yekobi a church or one annual me so for no that one ya sorry no more san hold in the court. Sport to the box sound the speakers care. What might be ni? A poo. O my ebuni pachi ni panko so ni pe ni paseye. O my ya srade ne en chaade. Me dia makonwa me di frosoro na ba ye o. Nipa mo makonwa na nipa nyem yie. Onyame na ayem yie. So obi wade no wo se na me meka ho ne yenye yi a osoro na de ama wo fa firi so ama me mitimi nya ho hwe di wo a wadwe ne se obetimi ni one day asori atua sika ma ya se me no so obi wo sika tua me wo bi child you know it me wo bi child and I do poma God bless you I'm telling you. Odana jai asem shini pa wakade na koma kire no need to insult what there's some people they are very fools they are very stupid they deserve even to be called dogs kama nyuma no mo ye publication ba your obofo abefa obetimi kan asem kura na me din ka ho na be picture atoso. What is it we ask for Friday? God bless you so much. Afia Chan, God bless you. Mr. Publication be a cosubiano, and once and be court. Minimum once and be a yantro. APC churches, Africa and the disciples, no, me be branches a do more come more. As a unia, my year Jumache, a dinner if you didn't chia Casavagina property so 20-something years. It is in my bay a cockra, so a cockra me deafy. I met to Tunia Manqua. My chapota sorry upon it. And some so watching at Jacka Cracker. Kosia Danyasam go to a TV Sukra life. Ubi a walkie can some much run near my family. Minimum Moshe. Uti Bibia, Mr. Fanyansa Busem. Din say ya. My brand mania din. A pacho. But the years to the pacho. What would Tommy Biano? Mr. Moi Bimunfu a journal. Or say ya. Uma Biba in Chairman Day, but catch them and say, Ubisi Obam in China. Maybe 100 million. I'm saying, oh. A day, 100 million. A day. Na sena asogri kurano. Sena asogri. Eso light 1 minute ayesay. Sena asogri. Tigo kura, tiko. Eso ayesay. Bui dam kura. A day. Adi asemonko, di asem. Nipa ba ko pe ko kubofo. A day. Mususu momudin. Komla Sweet TV chira boma mo de dwuma me. Mususu momudin na menya mo hwe. A day. Obi na actually no. O say that yes we need branch please. Omo de obi na eje the branch no. Adai. O my baby. Obi be a sport egu ana you obi there. Obi twa back off ana you obi there. Oh, maybe. Good night. Good morning. I am much one as a saying. Me ya pastors meeting. Me nya me di po ache wa wo do me bia mesrawo. And some more can near more can minimum. Actually, me clear the bia Facebook, YouTube, me media. Me show camera and I said the more TV. So anytime, any minute, every hour. Me na me catch your platform way. When you go upon the mark of Sibro, the bar say, ya no be a funny yano. Me alive for another vigil. So now my yansa for them and tough Omukuta Abono. We are prophetic abo no mo aswaba omo na ye omo ye mpai bofo nyansafo no mo so asojina so dwene nipa wo tema nipa se nipa enyini me da se wa show me o na life wa show me sraw me nye nipa bonefo de wo ka me ho nsem bi oboa ma boa nipa e se me the list na e ba bonte nipa ma boa mu owi ase no e do so che sika kura ma boa so anu gudem me nye nipa bonefo e de na ma ye Ghana kuro ha so mu obi anya na dwensem betu a me tira ha kosisi me wuyo me ahaya de besie me nkọ ba bia me gira mu sa me wa haya me nkọ ba bia ma je awurade ado me de tira wo man ya mu. God bless you. Obviously, will come visit you when you come to GH. Wisdom. God bless you, sir. Take it easy. God bless you. We know you, Papa. Ah. I want to Israel. I love you, Reverend Daniel. God bless you. Da kuma mi atia waka sasa ne akoma ateni ewu na de mo pe no monsa aka ade nyame hira mo mede wase sa na yo ante se mo abrochie ne ade mo hwe mi o wani hira me hira me nye nipa bonefo to bo ase na ba mi ye. Keep this video for me. Thank you. I respect you so much for your time.